Okay, I'm making Buffalo Chicken Meatballs. These will be great for game day. It's something you can make the day before and then just heat them up. We're even going to make our own sauce. Very simple. So let's get started on Darlene's table. So just 3 ingredients for the sauce, and that's going to be butter, crumbled blue cheese, and Frank's hot sauce, which I'll show you the bottle in just a minute. See, Frank's hot sauce. Okay, so this is going to heat up until the cheese is melted and the butter is melted. And then I'll set it aside to cool down. We're going to use part of it in the meatballs and then drizzle the meatballs with the remainder. All melty. The butter's already melted. All right, looks to me like the cheese is all melted and the butter. So this sauce is ready. I'm using all white meat, ground chicken. I'm going to start with panko breadcrumbs and an egg, garlic, and garlic powder. Now, I'll mix this up first. This is a single recipe. What I mean by that, I think if you like these enough that you might want to double them if you're having people over for game day, the Super Bowl. All right, now my other ingredients will be very finely chopped celery and green onion, this doesn't take long at all. I mean, you could even do in the morning of game day. All right, so now I'm adding half of the buffalo sauce that we made. The other half will be used to drizzle over the meatballs when they're done. Oops, should have had that glove on. So I'm going to use the scoop and make the meatballs. Into the oven at 425 degrees F until lightly golden, or 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to drizzle the meatballs with the second half of the buffalo sauce. This sauce was very good and not too spicy for me. Now we're going to sprinkle it with green onions, make it look pretty. These were so easy to make. So these chicken meatballs with the buffalo blue cheese sauce, and it took about 20-minute prep. It took 17 minutes to bake, 5 minutes to make the sauce, and here you are. And if you're having a lot of people over, you could double it. Bake the meatballs the day before. Then the next day, heat them up, drizzle it with the sauce, and sprinkle the green onion over. Spicy, tangy, meaty buffalo chicken meatballs. It's a great addition to a Super Bowl spread or any party really, and whether you're hosting a party, cheering on your favorite team, or simply craving a mouth-watering snack, Buffalo Chicken Meatballs are sure to elevate your taste buds to new heights. I really hope you give this recipe a try soon and let me know what you think. You can find this recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. That's all for this video, and thanks again for watching Darlene's Table.